Good afternoon, son. Good afternoon.
Thank you. Please be seated.
Thank you, sir.
So, what is your name?
Harish Walia.
Hers. So, on which topic you made your project?
Sustainable development of IED.
Why do we need sustainable development?
Because in earlier days we have tried to achieve economic development, but we achieved economic development on the loss of environment, and without environment, no human being on this planet can survive. So now we need sustainable development with economic development.
What is the basic meaning of sustainable development? Very basic meaning.
Very simple. In simple definition, it means to achieve the development, no doubt, but without compromising the needs of the future generation, because it's this earth is not only ours, it's our next generation is also dependent on this earth.
Is there any effect of COVID-19 on this sustainable development progress?
Yes, this COVID-19 bolstered the sustainable development progress, because the most dangerous species of the world, that is human, were locked in their houses because of the lockdown. So there were no production activity, there were no vehicles on the roads, no factories were working in this period, so there was no pollution in the environment.
आप ह्यूमन बीइंग को, आप भी ह्यूमन बीइंग हैं, मैं भी ह्यूमन बीइंग हूँ, सबसे डेंजरस क्रिएचर कह रहे हैं. क्यों कह रहे हैं ऐसा?
Sir, because human being is very greedy. It's our nature. It's our nature.
Greedy?
Yes.
Okay.
They need a development of theirs at any cost.
कोई कोट पता है आपको सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट से रिलेटेड या इन्वायरमेंट से कंसर्न होके? कोई भी
One quote that I read.
I ask you question because you put many quotes. है ना? So
One is in this from one in this file is that if anything is important to you, important enough to you, then you do that thing, even if the odds are not on your favor.
There is a quote which Gandhiji said that there is enough for everybody's need but not enough for anybody's greed. So what does it mean?
If anyone wants anything from the nature, he or she, any human being can extract, can take from environment. Environment is ready to give us whatever we want. But if we are greedy, if we want everything, we want in excess everything. So for that person, environment has nothing to keep, because environment is equally for all.
why you put the picture of Tesla and Elon Musk?
Because my favorite topic is environment from my childhood. I love environment. So when I grew up, I heard about many people who are doing for environment. So one of the most major contribution made by a great person is this Elon Musk. He is donating money to plant trees. He has announced the price of $500 million also. Whoever will found a technology to reduce the carbon emissions. So that's why I put the photos of Tesla. I am very inspired from him for his contribution to environment.
आपने ना यहाँ पे कुछ पिक्चर्स लगाई हुई है सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स की.
Yes, sir.
क्या है ये?
Basically, sustainable development has some goals. For example, it will make the poverty to no poverty. It will improve the quality of education, quality of health.
कब तक अचीव करना है हमें? कब तक डेडलाइन है हमारे पास इन गोल्स को अचीव करने की? कुछ गोल होता है तो डेडलाइन होती है, तो क्या डेडलाइन है?
Some scholars and economists suggest that we have only by 2030. Some suggest earlier it was 2050, but now some suggest that we have time to 2030
We should achieve
only.
them 2030 only.
Yes, sir.
तो क्या सीखा आपने अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर 12th टेक्स्ट बुक वाइल मेकिंग योर प्रोजेक्ट? आपने क्या नया सीखा apart from your textbook?
Yes, apart from textbooks have only definitions and every concept. Apart from that, I learned that we have limited time if we want to survive on this earth. Even this generation is in danger. This generation may also end, and next generation may not come up. So this is the main concern that I learned, and also the contribution made by other people. and more things how we can achieve sustainable development. I also learned this thing, or main thing is that I learned we have spent a lot of money on sustainable development, but I learned this thing that even now we haven't achieved it. We have spent a lot of money on solar energy, wind energy. They have also adverse effect. So at now we have no technology that we can say it is purely sustainable development.
ठीक है, थैंक यू। काफ़ी अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट बनाया तुमने।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.